Well, welcome to another Thursday night. Tonight's destination is starting at Twin Falls, and we're gonna hike up across over Twin Falls and up to the railroad grade, then up the Mount Washington Trail, up to a little climbing area where there's a view spot. But since it's the 7th of December, the daylight is, well, it's like 4:10 now. Sunset in North Bend is 4:16. So the sun has officially set. So the rest of the video will probably be flashlights. But it is very windy. Trees are going all over the place. We're hoping it dies down as the evening progresses. So this we think is about 3 miles and 2,000 feet. We call it Jerry's Route. Just in honor of a gal that used to hike with us probably 10 years ago. And it does have a nice view of the lights in North Bend, so hopefully we'll be able to see it. Nice trail most of the way. Last little bit is scrambling up a little bit of a rock. So might have some views to share when we get up near the top. We'll see how it goes, but this is one of our standard winter hikes when there's lots of snow. Just one of the ways to avoid the snow. Stay down low, still get some exercise. Riverhead now. Okay, we're putting the headlights on. We're up at the railroad grade, and it's time. We've hiked all of a mile, and it's dark, so you can see people putting lights on. We're here at the view spot. And there are the lights in North Bend. And I think it's Snoqualmie and Seattle in the distance. Very nice night. Here's George.
Like it's ready to
We're
walk.
setting up for the summit photo. George, you got it?
No, not yet.
Dad, got it?
Yeah, that doesn't look. That looks precarious.
It does.
Had the camera
Are we
down.
talking about George or the camera?
Yes.
Okay, we'll give her a shot again.
Okay.
All right, we're ready.
Oh. Yep.
Put backpack maybe behind the camera in case it falls again.
Say what? It's good. It's
No,
good.
that's good.
Yeah, it's not your,
Such concern for George.
not your camera, right?
He's fine.
It's George's camera.
He's fine.
All right, George.
Fire in the hole. Run.
Run.
It's not blinking.
No,
It's not blinking. It's not blinking. I think you broke it.
Hope you're getting this, Doug.
Good God, yes. It's going to take some editing, though. I'll tell you that.
Okay, guys.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Fire no!
Watch your footing, George. Watch your footing, George. Careful, careful.
Wait.
Okay.
Smile, Sadie.
Oh.
It's the flash.
What?
What a letdown.
George? Dad, gummit?
That was a little anticlimactic.
Yeah.
Flash wasn't on it.
And here we go down the trail.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I just destroyed your.
No, you're not sorry at all.
I'm not sorry. Is the camera on, Doug?
Apparently it is.
I've done a couple of those before.
Kind of get the feeling back.
God, we're a lot of people.
We are. A crowd.
We are. Almost a mob, I would say. We're done. We're back down in the parking lot. It was a very interesting hike. As you can hear, the wind is just ripping here. It was when we left, and now it is again when we're back. But up on top, and it's cold. Up on top, it was warm, no wind, comfortable. And then we dropped right down into the cold and the wind. And as we were heading out, it's really noisy. There's the wind in the trees, the river, and the highway. And you never know which one it is, but something's roaring the whole time. And you can't figure out what it is. But anyway, it was ended up to be a great hike for December 7th.
And when you send the link, I'll look at it.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week.